that terrible sound. Scissors, just pulling hair and they're cutting clean and round. Those purple dragons want you cutting bright, and they're snagging to keep just leaving you dissatisfied. But wipe away that frustrated frown. Clouds Diamond Sharpening is the best how. 3 generations of skill in every sharpen we do. Green lights to the blade, making them cut. Sharpen, we are masters of the ages, scoring perfect guide, cutting with a solid edge. Convex, Bevel, faithful battle. By the perfect classic, practice with that knows can refuse. All your Foxy Roxy shears just dragging through. They snip a struggle, cut a cut, battle too. Our skilled hands who will transform that tired steel, creating edges so sharp you will truly feel the gliding and then sharp. The purpose high and recycling means that it's as pretty as every player looks. You give us a sound, it's standing at every edge. We promise rules, it's pretty just and nice. Genuine, the conditions they bring me. That served you well, deserve expert attention, we can tell. And Fenise Peak with edges dull and worn will leave our shop completely reborn. From budget scissors to the premium class, our sharpening mastery is unsurpassed. A full legs to keep you returning, for cutting performance that leaves you yearning. Family tradition guides our steady hands, creating lasting sharpness that firmly stand. No scissors to damage, no shears beyond hope. With every challenge we expertly cope. Decades of knowledge in each precise grind. The keenest cutting edge you will ever find. Our proven process stands the test of time, because your scissors deserve to be primed. At Clouds Diamond Sharpening, we are masters of the edges, scoring perfect edge, cutting with a solid wedge. Convex, Bevel, what is like for your styles, love. Your trust will bring clouds back life. Love you, blade lies. Blades begin, find the class side. So clear clouds, not oh. The sharpening is strong too. Peaks, sticks, jets, who we truly know. To make it the scissor, this breaky